CSK versus RCB, one of the IPL's most hyped clashes. Two powerhouse teams, two passionate fan bases, and two legends of Indian cricket, MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli. But here is the real question. Is this even a rivalry? Let's set the context. Yes, the matches are intense and the fan wars are next level. But when we break it down, the history between these two teams tells a very different story. From auction battles to last over thrillers, this fixture has had its fair share of drama. Let's deep dive into the real story behind RCB versus CSK in this episode of The Classics. Let's go back to where it all started from, 2008, the very first IPL auction. RCB and CSK went all in for one man, MS Dhoni. Not many know this, but Vijay Mallya wanted Dhoni as the face of RCB. But it was CSK who outbid them at the last moment. Sure, MI came into the equation, but the bidding war did see RCB push for Dhoni. Just imagine if Dhoni had joined RCB. IPL history could have been completely different. And that would have been a completely different story altogether. But let's be honest, Dhoni and CSK had the last laugh, at least if we look at the numbers. But CSK has won 21 out of the 33 matches against RCB. That's a massive gap. Compare that to CSK versus MI. MI leads 2018 versus CSK. And when RCB did get a shot at the title back in 2011, guess who stopped them? Yup, CSK. RCB entered the final finishing first in the league stage, but CSK posted 205 for 5, all thanks to Michael Hussey and Murli Vijay masterclass. In response, RCB's strong batting lineup collapsed and CSK won by 58 runs to claim their second title. That was just the start of things getting pretty bad for RCB. Remember 2012? The Albi Morkel over. Virat Kohli bowled in the penultimate over when CSK needed 43 runs to win. And what happened? Boom! Morkel smashed him for 28 runs. 4-6, 4-6, 2-6. RCB fans were in shock. It wasn't just a loss, it was a humiliation. And even on the flip side, even when RCB won, they barely escaped Chennai's wrath. CSK needed 26 of the last over. Dhoni hit 4-6, 6-2-6. But Parthiv Patel's run out saved RCB by just one run. Even in victory, RCB fans had their hearts in their mouths. But there was another chapter to this rivalry, that too in IPL 2024. The final match of the league stage, RCB versus CSK, was the most intense one yet. CSK needed 17 runs of the last 6 balls to qualify for the playoffs. And then MS Dhoni stepped up. First ball, bang, a massive 6. Chinnaswamy was silent. But what followed next left everyone shocked. Dhoni mistimed Yash Dayal's delivery and was caught. CSK lost the match and failed to qualify for the playoffs of IPL 2024. If this rivalry continues in this fashion with more evenly contested matches and thrilling finishes, then maybe, just maybe, this Southern Derby can finally live up to the hype. And what about Dhoni versus Kohli? Is there even a rivalry between those two? Not really. Every great rivalry has a bad blood. Messi versus Ronaldo, Verstappen and Hamilton, Federer versus Nadal, but Dhoni and Kohli? Nothing but mutual respect. No ugly sledging, no fiery exchanges. So, where is the personal rivalry? The truth is, it doesn't exist. The rivalry isn't on the field, it's online. CSK and RCB fans go after each other on social media. Chennai might be more followed on social media, but strangely, RCB have a bigger fan base. Virat versus Dhoni debates, Bengaluru versus Chennai jokes, it's a meme war. And even fans outside the stadiums are at it. Two of the most passionate fan bases, two of the biggest brands, RCB and CSK, drive engagement. So much so that as of recording this video, RCB versus CSK in IPL 2024 saw over 50 crore people watching an IPL game for the first time since its inception. So is this rivalry more off the field than on the field? Is RCB versus CSK even a rivalry or just an illusion in the minds of the fans? Why don't you guys drop your thoughts in the comments below? And if you enjoyed this myth-busting video, do hit that subscribe button and follow for more such epic stories around the IPL. See you soon.
Cricket, cricket, cricket.